Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. We are a family of 3 and we are 2 months away from going full-time in our 5th wheel. Now this is a video log series of our renovations that we are doing. This is number 2. The first one was demo day and everything is going on. You can check it out. I added it to the links below. So check out what we've done right after this. Alright guys, let's start this off. We thought we were going to be able to get this done in 3 to 4 months. Everything completely. That's not the case. So renovating takes a lot longer than we thought it was going to be. We just have a little bit more left. I'm sure there's going to be some more surprises. I don't know, but I think we're in the home stretch. So check this out. We've got the color on the walls, you guys. I don't know how much paint this took, a couple gallons, but it was pretty good. Took a lot longer than we thought. This right now is wheat bread coming up here. All the shelves are going to be white. Upper shelves in the kitchen are also going to be white. And then down here you can see this greenish color. That green color I think will match well. We have the cabinets outside getting painted, prepped for paint. We're going to bring those back in here. Brand new sink faucet. All black and like a copperish color. It's kind of what we're going for. I want to explain just a little bit this backdrop. Somebody before us put this in, but when they put it in, man, they used some kind of paint, sticky something, glue. I don't know what it was, but this is staying here. It's not going anywhere, so we're going to utilize what was already there. I think it's kind of ugly, but I think with our color choices, it's going to work really well in the end. We are on our way to IKEA today. Deconstruction is done, and now we're starting to paint and get everything ready to rock. So now it's time to fill up with all the fun stuff.
And we're getting, as of right now, we're just getting a couch in an entertainment center. I'm sure we're going to come out with a lot more than that, but for sure we're getting those 2 things. Check this couch out.
This one's pretty sweet.
Yeah.
See what I can do. It's got storage.
Yeah.
That's pretty sweet.
Tons.
What about the latches? Go fold out. Oh, and it folds out into a bed?
Yeah.
Is this our new couch?
Yes.
Do you like it?
I love it.
All right, let's get it. Hey, check this out. It's like your locker rooms back in high school. It's just enough steampunk or whatever they call it to be completely crazy and still look good in the RV. Alright guys, we just got out of IKEA. We got so much stuff. That's pretty crazy. We got all these boxes, little guy, big guy, and a bunch of little knick-knacky stuff that we'll show you in the end. A lot of greenish type things.
Yes,
pretty cool.
We'll do a breakdown of everything that we got for you.
IKEA's freaking sweet. Hey guys, so when you're renovating, you want to make sure you have a plan, because we got 2 6-volt batteries. We're like, you know what, this is going to be perfect for us. We have 1 solar panel up on the roof, and that does fine. It's done fine for us in the past. Well, halfway through a couple days ago, we decided, forget it. Let's get 2 more 6-volt batteries for a total of 4, and also another solar panel. So we're going to upgrade the electrical system, 75 amp charger, 3-stage, and then also we have a 3,000 watt converter. I don't remember which one's which. I'm sure you guys will let me know. And then I gotta find another sealed box so that I can fit 2 more batteries in. That way I don't have any fumes come from these guys for up in here. In addition to all the renovating that we've been doing, also been getting some pretty sweet stuff in the mail. Stabilizer jacks for the front, some pretty sweet camera gear, temperature things. I don't want to mention any of it right now. I want to test it, make sure all the stuff works before I review it, and then maybe review it in some future episodes so you guys can check it out. Hi guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to check out our other videos and all the cool stuff that we're about to do on this journey. Bye.